Discover the Diivoo water timer, the perfect solution for effortless garden care. With precise timed and periodic irrigation, you can customize watering schedules to suit your plant's needs. Its simple, user-friendly design allows easy programming and manual control, while its weather-resistant build ensures durability outdoors. Save water with intelligent features like rain delay mode and enjoy reliable performance with heavy-duty brass fittings. Whether lawn, flower beds or greenhouse, the Diivoo water timer makes watering smarter and easier. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the RAINPOINT water timer, the perfect companion for your garden. Made with durable solid brass inlets and outlets, it handles high water pressures and resists wear. Its smart dual-zone irrigation lets you water 2 areas independently with flexible start times, durations and frequencies. Easily manage watering with rain delay and manual options, all while monitoring through a clear LED display. Built to last with the 360-degree rotating joint and heavy-duty materials. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Diivoo Wi-Fi timer, the ultimate smart water control for your garden. Easily set and monitor watering schedules from anywhere using your smartphone and the Homba app. Thanks to its reliable 296-foot Wi range, enjoy hands-free voice commands with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Switch between normal and mist irrigation modes and manage 2 zones independently with 12 customizable programs. Built with heavy-duty brass for durability, this timer ensures efficient, worry-free watering year-round. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the SONOFF Irrigation Timer, your smart solution for effortless garden watering. With Zigbee 3.0 standard compatibility, it offers superior stability and extended communication range. Set custom irrigation times and amounts to keep your garden perfectly hydrated while saving water and money. Track irrigation history to ensure accuracy. Control your system remotely through a user-friendly app or use voice commands with Alexa, Google Home. Make gardening easy and smart today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Diivoo water timer, the ultimate solution for effortless garden care. This professional irrigation device features 3 independent watering programs, allowing you to water up to 3 times a day with flexible timing. Choose between daily or weekly watering modes to suit your garden's needs. Equipped with rain delay and child lock functions, it helps conserve water and prevents accidental changes. Its easy to LCD screen makes setup a breeze. Keep your plants thriving effortlessly. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Aqualin water timer, the perfect automatic solution for your garden watering needs. Its swivel cupping allows for quick, tool-free connection, making setup effortless. With a large LCD screen, you can easily program watering up to 8 times per day, selecting from 15 different daily schedules. Designed for outdoor use, it's waterproof and compatible with standard garden hoses, whether you're watering early in the morning or late. The Aqualin water timer keeps your garden lush even when you're on holiday. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Xtsuen water timer, the ultimate smart tool for effortless garden care. Easily customize watering from 1 minute up to 240 minutes or schedule watering for 1 hour to 23 hours and even up to 15 days. The intuitive LCD screen shows all the details at a glance, while manual mode offers quick, flexible watering. Its waterproof design makes it perfect for outdoor use in any weather. Keep your garden thriving with ease and efficiency. You'll find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment.